Draggon is a new way to work. If your job involves going on site to survey buildings for products and services, such as fire or intruder alarms, heating or air conditioning systems, building products and services such as replacement windows, doors, fire-stopping products, in fact, virtually any product or service that is fitted into or in some way relates to a room or building, then Draggon has been designed for you. If you're working manually, sometimes with just pen and paper, the task of producing surveys and quotations takes way longer than it needs to. Draggon is a fully integrated cloud-based tool that lets you use your smartphone or tablet. Instead of writing everything down manually, you use Draggon to drag on your product and services icons, so that the survey is building up automatically, and all the key documents that you need, such as marked up floor plans, photographs, quotes and reports, are all being prepared for you by the system. When you're finished, you just synchronize everything back to your Draggon Cloud account, where you can then access all the data and documents from the survey. Draggon will prepare documents for you in an exportable format that will allow you to choose whether to use them in the Draggon format or to change them to suit your own styles. And if you like, you can have your own designs built into the system for even greater time savings. The benefits of using Draggon do not end there. When you win the contract from your customer, you can use Draggon during the deliver or fitting stage too. For example, this means your installers can record the products they're fitting and can take before and after photographs if necessary, and have the whole lot updated automatically to the cloud where you can access the data to create marked up floor plans, maintenance and delivery reports, all exportable into flexible formats such as Word and Excel. Call or email for more information or to arrange your free trial or a free, no obligation demonstration.